Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic sun visor. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few common tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and of course, your new replacement sun visor. Make sure you have everything ready before you begin, and let's get started on making your car feel new again. Now, let's remove the old sun visor. First, locate the small plastic cover over the screws near the visor's base. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry this cover off, revealing the two screws underneath. Next, take your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew both of these fasteners completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire visor assembly straight down and away from the headliner to remove it. With the old visor removed, installing the new one is simple. Take your new sun visor and align its base with the two mounting holes in the headliner. Make sure it sits flush against the ceiling. Then, insert the two Phillips head screws and tighten them firmly with your screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic screw cover back into place over the screws until it clicks securely. Congratulations, your new sun visor is now installed. Before you finish, take a moment to perform a few final checks. Move the visor through its full range of motion, ensuring it pivots smoothly and stays in position. Also, check that it latches securely into the clip on the headliner. This simple replacement can significantly improve your driving comfort and safety. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.